Hey, are you planning to start a blog website? But are you worried about your website will make rank or Google or not? Don't worry, here I will discuss some of the factor in blog website. What is the most important thing any blog website? And it is the website speed. Most of the user prefer to go shared hosting, but it will delay your website speed. When you added video, photo, surely your website load speed will be delayed. So prefer to VPS hosting. You can go to the digital ocean and you will get $100 when you using any referral code. I put the referral code in the description box, just check it. And the main thing is the content. Let example. For a question, there are many solution available. If you are trying to upload a solution, then your blog may not be ranked on Google or it will be very difficult to rank. So try to create unique post with full of your dedication. Try to write to the point of the post and don't make it so long. Use properly H1 tag for heading, and the blog structure is also very important. Now come to the SEO. There are a lot of myth about SEO. Believe me, SEO will just use for what your website is about. Let an example. You are a seller of product S in a shopping mall, but nobody knows what you are selling. Now you go to the shopping mall owner and explain about your product. He will tell to other people about your product and then many people will buy or not. It's completely people choice. If there is a same product available in the shopping mall, it is very difficult or very hard to sell your product. And Google exactly do the same. Google just tell the users about your website. You need to use just two basic things. At first, Google Search Console and then Google Analytics. Don't focus monetization from the first day. Most of the people do this. This is a very wrong policy. Try to focus your unique content blog and don't lose patience. Keep writing your blog. When you see a large number of visitors see your blog, then you can apply for the monetization, but it will take some time, averagely 3 to 6 months. So that's it for the tutorial. Thank you. Thank you friends, and don't forget to subscribe the channel.